Are you planning to visit a jewelry store soon to find that perfect piece of bling or have your precious gems repaired? Jewelry shopping can be an exciting and rewarding experience, but it's essential to navigate it with grace and courtesy. In this article, we'll explore some essential do's and don'ts for a smooth and enjoyable jewelry store visit. Do's. Do your research. Before stepping into any jewelry store, doing some homework is wise. Research the type of jewelry you're interested in, such as engagement rings, necklaces, or watches. Knowing what you want and having a basic understanding of gemstones and metals can make your shopping experience more efficient. Do set a budget. Determine your budget in advance. Knowing how much you're willing to spend will help the salesperson show you pieces that match your financial comfort zone. It's a win-win situation. You get what you want, and your wallet stays happy. Do ask questions. Feel free to ask questions about the jewelry you're interested in. Knowledgeable and reputable jewelry store staff will be more than happy to educate you about the quality of their products, including gemstone characteristics, metal types, and craftsmanship. Do inspect the jewelry. When you find a piece you love, don't hesitate to examine it closely. Look for any imperfections or flaws and ensure that it meets your expectations in terms of quality and appearance. Do request certification. If you're investing in precious gemstones like diamonds, ask for certification. Reputable jewelry stores often provide certificates from gemological laboratories that verify the quality and authenticity of the stones. Don'ts. Don't rush. Jewelry shopping is an investment, so take your time. Rushed decisions can lead to buyer's remorse. Allow yourself to explore various options and find the piece that truly speaks to you. Don't haggle rudely. While negotiation is common in jewelry shopping, be polite and respectful when haggling over prices. Aggressive or disrespectful behavior may lead to an unpleasant shopping experience. Don't assume. Never assume that all jewelry stores are the same. Each store may have its own unique selection, pricing, and policies. Treat each visit as a fresh experience. Don't skip maintenance. If you own jewelry that requires maintenance or repair, don't neglect it. Regularly check your pieces for loose stones or damaged clasps. If you need repairs, consult a reputable jewelry repair shop promptly. Don't forget insurance. For valuable pieces, consider insurance. While it may not prevent loss or theft, it provides peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected. Now that you're equipped with the do's and don'ts of jewelry store etiquette, it's time to put your knowledge to good use. When in Arcadia, the beautiful city known for its elegance and charm, remember to visit Dorano Jewelry. Our exquisite jewelry collection and top-notch repair services will leave you in awe. Discover Dorano Jewelry, your jewelry destination in Arcadia. At Dorano Jewelry, we understand the significance of finding that perfect piece of jewelry. Our store in Arcadia is a treasure trove of exquisite jewelry, from stunning engagement rings to elegant necklaces. Our experienced and friendly staff are here to guide you through your jewelry shopping journey, ensuring that you find the piece that captures your heart. Whether you're looking for jewelry near you, need jewelry repair in Arcadia, or simply want to explore the finest jewelry stores in the area, Dorano Jewelry is your one-stop destination. We invite you to experience the magic of jewelry shopping with us. Visit our Arcadia Jewelry Repair Shop and discover the beauty of Dorano Jewelry today.